Hello there, welcome back to NoreSM. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the screen brightness issues in Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you see, when I click on the notification area on my laptop, the screen brightness slider may or may not be available and doesn't increase or decrease the monitor brightness. The F2 and F3 screen brightness keys also doesn't change the screen brightness level. The shift key also stopped functioning. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix such a problem effectively. It can be applied in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. To solve such a screen brightness issue, we need to follow two easy steps. Step 1. Update the display driver. To do so, click on Start or on the search area on your computer and search for Device Manager. From here, expand the display adapter option. Right-click on the Intel HD graphics option and click on Update Drivers. Click on Search automatically for drivers. My Intel HD graphics are already updated. Your computer might update the driver if it is not already done. Let's right-click on the Intel HD graphics and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse my computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the latest driver from here. This is the latest driver that I have downloaded now. Select on it and click on Next. Now we have updated our HD graphics display adapter. Let's check our computer brightness control is working or not. To do so, click on the notification area here and check the brightness slider. It is still not working. F1 and F2 keys are also not functioning. Now it is time to go to the next step, which will fix the issue successfully. Step 2. Update the monitor driver. To update the monitor driver, click on search bar and write Device Manager. From here, expand the monitor's driver option and right-click on the PNP monitor driver option and click on Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the generic plugin and Play Monitor option and click on Next. Let's check our monitor brightness slider is working or not. As you see, it is working. The F2 and F3 brightness keys are also functioning. I hope this method fixed your screen brightness problem. If it doesn't solve the problem, you need to restart your computer and do the second step once again. It will solve the problem definitely. By the way, if you want to learn other related tips and tricks for the future, please subscribe and click the bell button below this video. Most commonly, screen brightness issues happen when we try to update our drivers. You will tell me why your screen brightness was stored in the comment area below this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description below this video to get important resources and the latest updates.